In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Kit. Having a clear unsubscribe option in your emails is really important, not just for legal compliance, but also for keeping your audience happy and engaged. In the latest Kit interface for 2025 and 2026, the easiest way to do this is by using a manual shortcode right inside the visual editor. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along in your own account. First, open the email you want to work on. This can be either a brand new email draft or an existing template that you use regularly. If you're updating a template, remember that every future campaign using that template will automatically include your new unsubscribe link, which can save you a lot of time. Once your email is open in the editor, scroll to the section where you want the unsubscribe option to appear. Most people place it in the footer of the email, usually in smaller text, alongside things like their company name or address. When you've decided where it should go, type the text that will become the clickable link. A simple example is unsubscribe here or opt out here. Make sure the wording is clear so subscribers know exactly what the link does. Next, use your mouse to highlight that text. As soon as you highlight it, you should see a small floating toolbar appear above or near the selection. In that toolbar, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click that icon to open the link settings. In the URL field that appears, instead of pasting a normal website address, type the shortcode exactly as follows. Open curly brace, space is not needed here, then unsubscribe _ URL, and then close curly brace. In other words, you're entering the unsubscribe URL placeholder that Kit will automatically replace with each subscriber's unique unsubscribe link when the email is sent. After you've typed that in, confirm the change by clicking Apply or Add Link, depending on what your version of the editor shows. Once you do this, your selected text is now a dynamic unsubscribe link. A good final step is to send yourself a test email to make sure the link appears correctly and takes you to the unsubscribe page. And that's all you need to add a custom unsubscribe link in Kit using the manual shortcode method.